How to use Apollo.io, Apollo tutorial for beginners. Apollo is a cloud-based project and contact management solution by Applicom that helps user manage personal and professional schedules by reminding them of appointments and deadlines. It also helps your prospect engage and drive more revenue. It unifies the management of personal tasks, calendars, contacts, and projects. This is perfect tool to use by salespeople as their tagline says, reach every buyer on earth. You can search, engage, and convert over 250 million contacts at over 6 million companies with Apollo's sale intelligence and engagement platform. So to get started, we just need to sign up. And the good thing about Apollo is that they have a free plan and a free trial to all their paid plans. This is the best way to see if the platform is good for you or not. So to get started, just choose a plan that you like here, clicking on Start 14-day trial. To sign up, just enter your email here and no worries, no credit card needed, or you can simply sign up with your Google account or Microsoft account. And then you will be redirected to this page where you can connect your CRM software. Just easily click the connect button here, or you can also just download the Apollo for your Chrome browser. So for now, let me just go ahead and click Finish Setup. So now the next page is how can we help? So you just need to select one of the option here. So let me just go ahead and select the filter our database. All right, so here is our Apollo main dashboard. So here, as you can see, if you just signed up, then you have this option here to have like a tour inside the platform. So here, as you can see, we have our searches. So we also have our home. So this is your home dashboard. So here you can see the contact that opened my email in the last hour. So you can see here all the email that was opened. And also you can see here the complete my daily task, this week email statistic or stats, and then also this week call stats. So here you can monitor your performance. So here you can also check your last week and also your scheduled emails. So here you also have your searches to find the people, companies, or check your list, or you can also check your save searches. So over here, you also have your engage. So here's the sample sequence that you can create. So for example, for day one, you can just create a manual or send a manual email to your leads or prospect. And then day three, you just need to send automatic email, like a follow-up email. And then on day five, that is where you can start having a phone call to them. So you can just create your sequence over here. And then you also have your emails, your calls here. So you can just go ahead and make, answer, record, and transcribe your calls with Apollo with automatically syncing them with your CRM. So you just need to upgrade to professional plan for you to have access to this feature. So you also have your task here. So for your task management, you can create and manage your own task to help engage with your leads in a timely manner. So this is also available to the professional plan, and you can also create your own templates. So I don't have my templates here. So you also have your meetings here. You can just connect your Google Calendar. And also you have your analytics here to, of course, monitor your performance. And also you have your settings and mailboxes. So you also have your enrich here for you to overview, get a complete up-to-date data for all of your records. And you'll also have your CRM enrichment here, CSV enrichment, API, and also job change alerts. So let me just go back to the search tab because this is the most important part. So just click the search tab here, and under search you have your people, companies, lists, and save searches. So for companies, you can just search for companies here. So for example, if you will be searching for the real estate companies, then it will show up here all the real estate companies. And over here you can just filter the results. So for example, you can filter the list, the company, the account location. So here, for example, you will just get the result all from the US. Then you can just go ahead and filter the account location here. And also if you want to filter the employees or number of employees. For example, you will just want a companies with 500 to 1,000 employees or more than that. So you can just check this one over here so that you will get all the companies with that number of employees. So for example, here we will be searching for the for this one, the real estate one. So you can also go to people and then just search for the real estate one. And it will show you all the people that connected to the real estate one. So over here, as you can see the name of the people here. And these people are from LinkedIn. And same earlier, you can also filter the results. So you can filter the list, the persona, the name, the job title. So this is important as well. So for example, you would just want to target manager. Then you can just select manager or project manager, teacher, owner, student, etc. So you can filter this one here. Or you can also filter the company. So for example, you just want to see result from people from LinkedIn, or from the Microsoft.com. You can also do that. Or you can also filter the location over here. So you can just select the city, the state, the country, and the zip code, and also the zip radius. And also you can filter the number of employees and more. So from here, as you can see, we have the name Kevin Parker. And here's the company that Kevin Parker is working with. And also here is the number of employees he has. And for Tiffany Weber Phillips, as you can see from the real estate one, and also you can see here it's from US and it has 8,100 employees. If you want more, you can just easily click this one over here and a new panel from the right side pop up. So here you can see the name and also real estate at real estate one. So as you can see here, you can access their email and phone number from here. And also you have the work history here and the location. You also have the company phone number, the employees, the founded year, and their annual revenue. So if you want to add this person to your list, then just click add to list. And then over here, you can just select the list that you want to add this person, or you can just create a new list here. For example, I will just go ahead and create a new list. Create new tag sample. So that's added to our list. And as you can see here, we have now the email of this person, and also we got their phone number here. So we can now send an email to this person. So we can create our sequence, and then we can check if they opened our email or not from here. And also you can book a meeting from your email and then start making a phone call. And then you can create your own task over here. So that's how Apollos work. So I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.